Check out this really cute artificial tree that I got. It was super easy to put together. Let me show you how I did that. Each of your branches are labeled with arrows pointing down so you know that they're going down. And then in your pot, you have these branches sticking up, which are also labeled. So you want to connect the number to the correct number in the pot. You'll then add in your leaves inside your branches. Once you have those in, you can start separating your leaves to give it a fuller look. You can add in more of the fake moss if you'd like to, simply by pulling it apart and placing it around your branches. And then here is your after look. Super cute and simple, perfect for those who don't like to remember to water their plants or just want to elevate their space. This is great for your home or office. I am beyond impressed with this artificial tree. Go check it out today. This artificial tree also came with some fairy lights that you can add to elevate it as well.